Moin and guten Tag, fellow sourdough bakers. I've had too much time and watched hundreds of sourdough baking videos and figured I share you my top 6 list of what I think are the best sourdough videos currently on YouTube. I really like this video by Patrick Ryan from I Love Cooking Ireland. He shows you how to bake your first sourdough bread, starting with setting up your sourdough starter and then doing the full process from start to finish. He explains the process, shows you a couple of techniques, and overall does a very good job on teaching you how to make your first sourdough bread. A great resource for everybody who just wants to start with sourdough baking. Next up is this amazing video by Culinary Exploration. He cuts away all the nonsense and focuses on showing you the technique he has. And he really has an amazing technique. I was really impressed seeing how he managed to shape the sourdough bread without using any flour at all, just a little bit of water. And the results are just mouth-watering. I was very impressed seeing what he did. Good job. Next up, shameful self-promotion. I'm an engineer and I always want to understand why I have to do certain things. Especially when following a recipe, I always want to know why I should do something. This really helps me with understanding the big picture. In this tutorial, we are looking at the full process from start to finish of sourdough baking with great attention to all the tiny details that matter. I made this video because I feel that many videos on YouTube are oversimplified when it comes to sourdough baking. And yeah, my goal was really to look at every aspect as detailed as possible. You will see me talking a lot and it's 40 minutes long, so yeah, grab some popcorn and enjoy. Next up is a video by Foolproof Baking on how to make an open crumb sourdough. I love the flowchart that Kristen added, that makes it easy to understand. Furthermore, she's the first person that I saw on YouTube doing lamination, which is a great way to add additional strength. Her dough handling is just out of the world. She makes it look so easy. I find her technique to bake very interesting. And yes, the results in the end are just mouth-watering. Good job. Next up is an excellent video by Food Geek. He looks at over-fermentation. Over-fermentation can be the reason why you don't get that oven spring that you're looking for. To visualize everything, he uses a very scientific approach, just changing one parameter at a time. He looks at the volume increase during the bulk fermentation. He then tests what happens at 25% volume increase, 50%, 75%, and 100% volume increase. I really love this scientific approach. So yeah, good job. Thanks for making this amazing video. Next up and last on this list is a video by Joyride Coffee. He makes bread that has more water than flour. This recipe requires excellent technique. And this is what this video is about. Joyride shows you how to use excellent technique to handle even the stickiest doughs. And he succeeds, he completely masters it. And the crumb of this bread is just incredible. Seriously, good job, I wish I had your hands. Now, I would be very curious to know what are your favorite videos here on YouTube. Please drop a comment in the comment section. This unfortunately brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching and may the gluten be with you.